What's this? Sami ko. Let's get some sami. I'm so happy. I'm gonna cry. Here's my new baby. Here's my new gear. Here's my new camera. Here's the lens. Camera pag nakasama na. One thing that I like about this na kahit second hand siya is meron siyang warranty card. So happy for that one. So we have here Sony a6400. This is a mirrorless camera. So meron ng sibling. May sister na yung aking headphones. Diba? Let's open. I don't know if I crying or I'm just happy. It's here. My baby is here. So actually, yung name ng new baby ko is Autumn. Because I bought it right now ng autumn. Diba? It looks so brand new. Diba? Meron na rin siyang SD card na kasama. Oh, nice. Actually, I'm a Canon user, so hindi ko makita kanina kung saan yung yung video pala siya. So on, it's here. See? Ooh, kit lens pa lang to. So let's try the other lens. This is 50mm. This one. Ooh. See? Look, so let's try. This one is so painful. Thank you, Lord. So I'll charge this first, tapos mag-rest lang ulit ako. So, yun. And later, punta daw kami ng recycle shop, sabi ni Ate Lovely. Tapos, punta rin daw kami ng magkakaimono din kami, diba? Try ko maghanap ng second hand na tripod muna before I buy a brand new one. I've been eyeing a tripod sa Amazon, pero sabi ko, why not try yung mga second hand na thrift shopping dito ng camera gear here in Japan. So, let's try it. It's 214 yen. Smells so fresh flowers. May bago tayo na dito sa baho. Cute! It's very so, ito yung coconut dito sa Japan. I haven't tried this, pero pinatry ko to once sa papa ko and he doesn't really like it. So, yeah. So, now, I'm making some Japanese food. So, kumukuha ko right now ng mga condiments ng hondashi. Ayan, and yung mga prices. And right now, I think that time, kukuha ko ng salt kasi walang salt na here sa Apatos. So, let's see kung ano yung pipiliin ko. Hindi ako pumili, di ba? So, yan, kailangan ko ng fukuro or plastic sa bahay. And That's it. Yan yung nasa baba pang purchase. And, you know, I really love flowers.
Ay, Tokyo lettuce.
So here's our view right now of everything that I bought. So I think I spent like around Ichibangurai, like 10,000 yen. And it's good for already 2 weeks of my supplies here sa Apato. And yan yung time na wala talaga akong literal na sleep. So I had to drink some coffee to wake me up. Kasi after that, we're gonna do a short trip sa thrift store. Yeah. So, yeah. Just like that, we're done. So now we are already in a thrift store and I'm very sorry. I forgot talaga kung ano tawag ito. Pero, you know, this is an honesty store. So, literal, walang nihonjin dito or walang cashier dito. So, may mga tags lang dyan na may nakalagay tulip, morning glory, or kaya clover. Yung clover yun yung yung sobrang yasu, yung pinakamura, like goju yen lang siya, 50 yen lang per piece. Pag yun yung nakalagay na tag sa clothing. So, ako mostly nakuha ko is morning glory, which is iyakuin. Tapos wala siyang taksa. So, yung kanina, like yung poster ng tulip, ng morning glory, and everything, yun yung price niya. Basta kung ano yung nakalagay dun sa tag niya. So, yan. Ang daming magagandang clothes actually, tapos branded siya. Parang may nakita pa nga ako dyan. Ang daming may Uniqlo, may GU, and everything. So, ang dami talagang pagpipilian. So, yeah. So, right now, ayan. Actually, tinuturuan pa nga ako dyan ni Ate Lovely kung paano ba. Kasi as in, like, first time ko talaga. So, ang gagawin dyan is, syempre, tatanggalin mo yung food. So, ayan, yung tag, yung hanger, ayun yung tag o. Tapos, ikaw yung magbibilang lahat-lahat kung magkano lahat yung nagastos mo. And even the fukuro and the plastic is so free. And I was so happy about it. I got like 2 bags for like 1,200 yen. 'Di ba? Sobrang mura na niya. Hindi ko alam kung ilang pieces to, pero mostly these are winter clothes, and I bought some skirts din para when I go out, meron ako susuotin kasi most of my clothes are for shigoto kasi, you know, work is life here in Japan. And so now, na-cut na lahat. So, yan yung time na binibilang ko na siya. So, umabot siya na 1,200 yen. And yan, Cosmos, it's sa Nabiyaku-en. It's 300 yen lang per piece. And there, ilalagay ko na siya sa yan, dyan. Ilalagay ko na dyan yung 1,200 yen na wala ng sukle. Diba? Sugoi, diba? Ang galing sa Japan. Like, honesty store lang siya. And, actually, meron rin dyang money exchange if malaki yung money mo. So, kasi kailangan pitari, kailangan exact yung money mo para dun sa mga pinili mo. And, I know it's also open for 24 hours yung store. Diba? Grabe. Ang galing lang. Sugoi lang talaga. And it's very cheap talaga.